Hello everyone, my name is Judith Keijsper and I'm a lecturer at the Combinatorial Optimization Group in the Department of Mathematics and Computer Science at TUE. My interests are graph theory, more particularly algorithms for graphs, like the max flow min cut theorem that people encounter in my courses. I'm obviously interested in teaching mathematics. A new interest of mine is also the history of mathematics. I will speak a bit more about that later. And an old interest of mine is computational biology. When I was still doing research, this was the last topic I looked at, and more particularly into the topic of phylogenetic trees. Everybody knows, I guess, the idea of Darwin, that's or the tree of life, this metaphor that he used for what the relationships between species look like. But actually, um, the relationships are more like a network than like a tree, and people actually already knew that before Darwin, as can be seen from this network about the relationship between different types species of dogs. So the network is more like a directed acyclic graph, in fact. Or if we don't know the order in which the species occur in time, it's more like an undirected network, like this one that is describing the relationships between the COVID virus and its variants that has been found with phylogenetic network techniques recently. My responsibilities as a lecturer include giving a first year course on graph theory and applications, also with some modeling assignments. Moreover, I'm a responsible lecturer of two master courses that are jointly given at the moment, so optimization and nonlinear optimization. I'm also an instructor in the first year course on linear algebra 1, and in the past I've been giving graph theory and combinatorics in the third year. Another one of my responsibilities is that I'm the coordinator of the bachelor final project. So this is an assignment problem, and I haven't been using any algorithms for the moment to solve this problem. It's so far it's been possible to just assign people to their preferences in good correspondence with the students and the supervisors. And I'm also the contact person for combinatorial optimization. So if you are looking for a project in that area, I am the person to talk to. Moreover, I'm the learning line coordinator for the professional and personal development learning line in the bachelor. So that means that I have been trying to distribute the various skills that are important over the courses in the first and the second year. You can see the skills here in the first year and here in the second year. Last, I would like to mention that I am going to be responsible for the elective Mathematics and Practice in Historical Perspective. Here you see a picture of Euclid with his compass and ruler, and I'm really looking forward to learning more about these topics and to also include the stories from combinatorial optimization in this more general story about mathematics. For example, from the birth of graph theory when Euler designed his solution for the Koenigsberger bridges problem, to the birth of computation theory by the invention of Turing of his theoretical Turing machine, and later on also actually building it and cracking code with it in World War II. The story of the Max Flaming-Cut theorem is a very interesting one historically, and also the four-color theorem with its computer-aided proof is a very interesting story to add to the recent history of mathematics. So thank you for listening to this video and hope to see you soon in one of my classes, for example.